In front of me is SONY Xperia 17 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos app. Now tap on Photos or Collections at the bottom and find all of your pictures you wish to get rid of. When you're ready, hold one of them and use those icons at the top right corners to select multiple right away. To keep some, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use Bin button at the bottom. Then hit Got It in the pop-up and move to Bin in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!